Hi friends! Welcome to our channel. Today we are cooking pasta with broccoli cream, the healthy and genuine dish. Pasta with broccoli cream is a very simple first course to prepare. Wash the broccoli well, remove the tops from the stem. In the pan put a little olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic cut into large pieces. Add the broccoli and basil leaves. I used dried basil. Add salt and pepper. Cook the broccoli under the lid for about 10 minutes, until they are tender but don't lose their color. Set aside some broccoli florets which will be used for decoration. Continue cooking the broccoli under the lid until it becomes very soft. In the meantime, bring salted water to the boil and cook the pasta. Add the cream and a little cooking water to the pan with the broccoli. Add the crushed or finely chopped garlic to the pan with the broccoli. Mix well to create a cream.
Drain the pasta. Set aside a little cooking water. You can use it later to make your pasta creamier. Add the pasta and broccoli cream together. Mix well. Add a little cooking water if needed to make your pasta creamier. Transfer the pasta to the plate. Decorate it with the broccoli previously set aside. Your broccoli cream pasta is ready to be served. Sprinkle your pasta with the grated Parmesan cheese. Bon appetito! Ingredients: doses for 4 people, 500 grams of broccoli, 40 grams of cooking cream, 15 basil leaves, 6 cloves of garlic, 60 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper to taste, 30 grams of extra virgin olive oil, 350 grams of pasta, light penne rigate. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.